threat identification, we will see how with a real-time example how the threat identification is done in three stages, that too in the cloud. So the first stage is like monitoring data, and next is gaining visibility, and next one is managing access. The real-time scenario, let me tell you, we all know Facebook application, and while using Facebook application, you're getting a random message in your messenger along with some text like click here to know more, or if the attacker is targeted you, or if he got to know more information on you, he will craft a particular message like if you have searched for job somewhere, they will add a custom link along with that, and they will send you by clicking here to know more. By mistake, if you click without knowing that it is going to be a spam, and the moment you do, all your friends connected in Facebook getting the same spam message in their inbox as well. So you do not know the root cause, and you are wondering like what happened. You should know how and why happening like this. So the first thing what we should do is we will contact the Facebook support team, and we will tell this problem happened in your account. But from their end, they are claiming that they already know about this problem and started working on it. How exactly they came to know? That's where the threat identification part comes into play. First is monitoring data. So we do have machine learning and AI algorithms to watch your monitoring application or to flag an event. So this knows what the normal system behavior is, how the normal user will behave. If it knows any deviation is going to occur, it will trigger an alarm, or it will create an alarm. The alarm will be monitored by the cloud security experts. So that up to this, it will be monitoring data. Next is gaining visibility. In next phase, the person should identify who caused the problem, what caused the problem. So the experts will start looking into it once the alarm is triggered. And next is managing access. So now in this phase, it will going to give you a list of users who have the access and then wipe out from the system. So it's like you almost found out the person who did this, and you're going to wipe out from this system. Like how we will do in Google Meet or Zoom, we can the host is having all the permissions, right? He can unmute or he can kick you out from the meeting. The same method. So the security experts will wipe the attacker from the system, and they will clear all the logs. So this is how the threat identification is working. And how exactly in AWS, how it is working. So when it comes to cloud security, learning AWS is very easy, I can say, because I started with learning AWS, whereas you're having plenty of free resources. You can even start with Azure and GCP as well. So monitoring data, the first phase will be used by CloudWatch. It will monitor all the EC2 and other AWS resources, and where you can monitor custom metrics as well, and you can monitor and store the logs. You can set your own alarms, and you can create different types of alarms. You can react to the resource changes. You can view the graphs and statistics in detail. So that's what we saw in the very first phase, monitoring data. The product which Amazon using is CloudWatch. Sorry, the service which Amazon using is CloudWatch. And for gaining visibility, it is Cloud Trial. It's going to log all the services using the history of API calls. Everything will be logged. It will help you to identify which user requested the particular service. It is a tool used to identify the attacker, like where you can track all the logs, and you can conclude where the API call is came from. And managing access. This is AWS IAM, very famous service, AWS Identity and Access Management System. It is having enhanced security, authenticates and provides granular permission. So upon giving the user permission, you can set your own different types of user. You are going to decide which user you are going to allow in your organization, and you can customize the different type of user roles also. and secure access to applications running on the EC2 environment. This is about the threat identification.